Okay, so that was about the figures, and for the illustrations, I have shared with you the templates in the supplementary file section. These are the illustrations that are now commonly being used, and they are around 20 pages. You can use any of them, okay? And you can also design your own illustration also. Okay, let me just go through it. The better the illustration is, the better and more chances of publication you have. A CDC article is totally judged by the central illustration, and that is this, okay? Because it is capturing all the data you have analyzed and you have described. Okay. Here we have the gender data, and then we have the age group, overall, racial, metro, non-metro, states data, and all the other stuff is shown in this one figure. Okay, so the more you make this figure nice, the more chances of publication you have. Okay, so this is known as a central illustration. You will give a title of your article, and then you will write whatever you are expecting. Here they have added figures. You can either search these figures on Canva. Okay, these are the stick figures. You can use them, or you can even use heart, human. You can use any of them which you want. So any of the aesthetic you want, you can go for that. Okay, the more pretty, the more beautiful you will make your figure and set illustration, the better it would be. Okay, you can even go for downloading picture from the net and then just uploading them from here. Okay, so this you can go for that, and this is just simple text boxes, and this is a figure that the overall line chart figure that they made in there. um that we just made in our Excel sheet. Okay. So what I can do is the way I made that Excel sheet, I can just go and in the upload section, I can just upload that file. Okay. For example, I have uploaded this map of Palestine. I can just add this map here and use it. Okay. You can use that data also. Okay. So now we have these stick figures. Again, you can make them either the color of their skin, but that would be a little being racist. So that's better making them like this. Metro, non-metro, either you can make a rural area here, any logo here that is showing the rural area and the urban area and the chart. Okay. So let's just go through these pages so we have an idea of what aesthetics people have used. Okay, so look here in this one and the above one. What's the problem? In the first one, they have clearly defined their title. Okay. But here they have not done that. They have just made it just like simple. Okay, so the more prettier you have to. Overall trend, it's the same. Okay, and then the same thing, same. Here they have made written men and women like this, and but they have made the partition very pretty. Conclusion, sometimes you need to, sometimes I guess you shouldn't. Okay, you shouldn't go for writing the conclusion in the central illustration. Try to make it more pretty that a person can just look at it and just get it. Okay, so some of the journals that you are trying to get your article published, go into their articles, go into the CDC Wonder analysis, and just look what how they have analyzed, how they have made the central illustrations. Okay. So these are the simple different central illustration. I have shared the templates with you. You can just use them and make it. I would expect you guys to not disturb them here. So you can see obesity and pulmonary embolism, what logos they have used. You can just download these logos from the net and just can upload it. Okay. So this is about the central illustration. And last we would be discussing about the tables.